Slow your scroll. That's right, everybody. It's time. Slow your scroll for a little self-care. If this video found its way to your feed, then your body was, oh man, it was asking for it. It was asking for a slow down, a slow your scroll for a self-care break. So why don't you take 15, 20 seconds with me and go for a walk out in the snow. That's right, we got hit by a storm cycle here in Tahoe this weekend. And now it's time to reap the benefits of the Bluebird Day. Come out and be with me. Yeah, it's time to get outside, go for a walk, be in a beautiful place, be in the energy of your dog, be out in the snow if you have it, and just be. Let's go. Let's go. Hey y'all, I know it's so easy to get hooked on our phone. I do it too sometimes. So I do appreciate that you stuck with me to do a slow your scroll for self-care break with Bo and I out here. If this resonated for you, put snow time. We need to remember, slow our scroll. So thanks for being here, y'all. Appreciate you.